finalists for the North American Truck/Utility of 2014 are the Acura MDX, the Chevrolet Silverado, the Jeep Cherokee. So the winner of the Truck of the Year is the Chevy Silverado. The finalists for North American Car of the Year are Cadillac CTS, the new Chevrolet Corvette Stingray, and the Mazda 3. So the winner is the Stingray.
The Corvette Stingray was the most awarded car in the industry for 2013. It is the most amazing Corvette we have ever built. And just this morning, the North American Car of the Year.
Not long ago, Akio Toyota challenged his designers to create cars that spark people's emotions. Cars that make them say, I want this, I have to have this.